Chuck it. Use 2 hands to push it in.
Come on, you can do it.
Push.
I did it.
Push more. Exactly, genius. Yeah, right.
Take 2. Woohoo! Oh, look where we're sleeping! That's cool. I don't know where we're going to sit the swags up, but I need to see that.
I want you to stay in here for us.
No, I'm gonna go have a look. I'm gonna get some photos before the sun goes down, Eli.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you wanna come? This is on, by the way. Look.
No, I will stay in the car.
No, don't touch anything, okay?
Okay.
Adam, wait till I get out of the way, you idiot. Jesus Christ. Move back, Eli. Booey. Eli, come over here, please. Watch out, Foo. Fooey, come here. Booey, come here.
Big rocks.
No kidding.
Huh?
No kidding. They were headed for my head. Watch out, Fufu. Booey, watch out.
Look, the sun's telling me I need to go and climb that.
Really is a gorgeous spot. We came down here straight off the King's Highway. It's really not that far in off the main road, and you could probably get in here with two-wheel drive, no problem. We had someone rock up in just a Bravo ute yesterday, so getting down here is not a problem. This is the first weekend of the school holidays, so I'm really surprised that this place wasn't taken by the time we got down here. It's a gorgeous little spot. State Forest, so you can have the pups here. That's not a problem. I was doing a bit of spotlighting last night in the water, and there's a lot of little baby trout through here. So fishing would probably go pretty well down here. But I just don't know how to fish for trout. I can imagine this spot would be pretty popular in summer. They've got a rope swing here. I'm not too sure if I would jump off it because the water's only about 1 metre deep just here. We've got the sun coming up over the valley. This is going to be absolutely epic by the time it actually happens. Depending how brave you are, there's 2 entries into this place. There's a big drop-in over there just behind my ute, and there's the river track coming in from the main road. You can park down here if you don't mind the sand. And there is another sort of camping area up the top if this gets a bit full. So 2 entries into this little spot here. The first place we pulled up yesterday was across this water. Nice little river crossing there. The old bridge ain't there no more apparently, obviously, because it's not there anymore. But I'm going to snap off a few photos here of the sun coming down over the valley, and try and pick up some of these reflections because the water's pretty still down there. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Water dog. Not a water dog. Now, how did we sleep down here? Well, that there truck, it really needs a clean out. Our last camping trip, everything got chucked back in there and I never reorganised the truck, so this trip we were missing crap everywhere. Don't know where the torches are, didn't know where the blankets were, missing a quilt. Now, how did I sleep? I slept perfectly. Jay froze. Eli woke up because Jay was complaining about being cold. Then the dog tried to get out and it was okay. We found a nice little patch of soft sand up there to sleep on. I don't think sleeping on these rocks down here would be very much fun. But like I said, right up the top here, you can probably camp up there. The grass is pretty long, so you'd have to make a spot for yourself. But this morning I am definitely fixing up inside the truck. Can't believe I didn't bring the quilt. Yeah. Just done a bit of washing up. So to find this place, it's we came from Bateman's Bayside up Kings Highway. It's probably the third road on your right, Lyons Road, and it's before you get to Currowan. This is Currowan Creek State Forest, so like I said, bring the pups, have a good time. Watch out for that 1080. At this point, I've got the camera ready to go, Jay waiting to shoot with the GoPro, I've got the drone up in the air ready to track me, and I've just realised that last night Jay put the keys to the truck in Eli's swag. I've just packed up all of camp, ready to rock out, and there's no keys in the ignition. They're still in the swag. So I turn off all the cameras, get the swag off the truck, open the swag, turn the cameras back on, and this is what happened.
Fooey! Fooey! Come here! Quick! Fooey! Come here! Stupid dog. Scout! Fooey! Come on! Come on! Fooey! Up here! Scout! Scout! Fooey! Come here! Stay! It's my foot you're sitting on.
Mommy, don't go down there with them because you won't be there. Get up again.
Chuck it away.
Over it. Whoa, Eli! Look out the window, Eli. Look at me.
Sit back because we're going up a hill. I don't want you to knock me up.
Is there one?
This place is stunning. This is Caves Creek Gully Road.
Let's see.
Waterproof.
No.
It is. Here we go. Whoopsie whoopsies.
Ow.
Jump in, baby. Jump in, baby. Oh,
Oh, there's a big ditch.
I don't remember hitting that ditch on the way in.
We did it.
Oh, good.
That was close.
Uh-oh.
What'd you do? That was a big bump. wasn't it?
Yeah.
Eli, you look like you're doing a poo.
Eli, wait there.
Why?
Because I don't want you falling in.
I climbed down the bridge and I did it.
Very good climbing.
Are you gonna be better to climb off this hole and then you finish? Like me.
Okay.
And you're gonna hold something. And you're gonna hold the bridge, the broken bridge.
Yeah.
Where and you get up and then you go back down and try it again. Try back down, but because this one is a bit higher. What me?
Okay.
So, what me when I climb up?
You're watching.
Ow. Ow.
Watch your head. Well done, Eli.
Good job.
And watch me climb up.
You got a dirty bum.
Oh yeah.
I'm glad I gave you. I'm glad I didn't pack your dark green one.
Watch your head. Those pants can go in the bin.
I'll just have to say something.
Well done.
Mommy, I climbed that wall by myself.
I know, you clever bum.